Hey everybody, it's Dr. McBarry here, and I just want to do a quick video on how you can make your add a zombie role or a human, because we actually need some human characters for our stories. But for those who are just seeing this, Webmentions versus Zombies is a kind of a remix of Twitter versus Zombies, which is a game that ran a few years back, and I want to try to do the same thing but using Webmentions. So I don't have the date set yet because I'm figuring out all the parts, but I want it to be kind of a narrative game, but instead of using Twitter, we're going to be using our own blogs, and we'll use Webmentions to talk back and forth. And I'm not going to go into it now, but you can see down here that there's rules. This will actually be the first tutorial because this is the tutorial on how to add a to the zombie role. And you can also find connections to IndieWeb, where if you need help figuring out how Webmentions work, we can always do something for that. And if you're looking for zombie pictures at any point during our journey, I have a tutorial here that will use Alan Levine's or Cogdog Online tutorial on how to use his Creative Commons search tool to look for like awesome zombie pictures. And there are licensed for remix, so that's even cooler. And so those are the bits of it. So now let's get into how do I actually add a zombie to the zombie role. Well, you have the link I sent out to the project. So once you do hit it, you can edit the project. And down here, you'll see zombies 1, 2, 3, 7, and 3, which has a, we have to fix the file there because the copy's stuck. But all I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this, hit copy. I'm going to change the name to the next zombie. So I'm going to go to zombie 4 and hit save. And that's it to make the file. Now, this is set up so you don't even have to touch any HTML. And if you remember, we've talked about this. Remember when we played Tag Revolution and how the people that, we had a start clap and it went around the circle till we got to the person who had the end clap? Well, like we've talked about all semester long, if you look, each one of these has a start and a stop. But this is set up, this whole system's set up so you don't even have to touch the HTML. You can if you want. You can even make up your own style sheet if you want to change the way that your zombies page looks. That's totally cool. But it is set up for anyone to use. All you have to do is just stay within the tags. It's like kind of like stay on target, stay on target. As long as you're in the tags, you're going to be okay. So you just name your zombie. You know what? I might as well make this a template file. Make up a zombie ID. I don't even know what that is. Somebody's going to have to tell me what that is in the story. And see that? Oh, did you see these little like buttons? That means you messed something up. All right. So, and if you click on it, it will tell you. Now, the language is a little confusing. Special characters must be escaped. That just means ending, beginning, ending. It's saying that there's something wrong with your ending. So I can fix it and boom, the dots go away. Right in here, you can just delete this and you have a couple different paragraphs to add. This is where you get creative. And you just make up your zombie's backstory. And that's it. You can, oh, see these? Now, that means italics. Emphasis is what the EM stands for. And once you've done that, you can make your zombie. Now, if you have a zombie, you got to add them to the zombie role. So what you do next is you click on the zombies. Oh, let's give it a name. Actually, I'm going to call this template. And we have that as zombie name. And look, I did it again. So then I could go back to the zombies. And, ooh, here's a link. And so I need to copy and paste this and put in my zombie. So where you don't have to touch the code, you do have to sometimes copy and paste it. So I can paste it right in and then give my zombie a name. And I'm just going to call my zombie template zombie. You know what's cool? with HTML is I could actually just use a little comment, and sometimes in a teaching document I'll leave these, and this is really a learning one. You may not do this all the time, but I can just add a little comment to add a new zombie, copy the line above, then paste it in, change your link so zombie1.html matches the same number. Then add your zombie's name. And that is all you need to do to add a zombie to the role. And what's going to be cool is as we get these, and I'll go through once students in my class finish these, but this class is open to anyone in the world. It's going to be a fun game. It's not even a class. I want to pick the dates. I'm gonna think about that. And the way it's going to work, if you want to look at the rules, I'll go over those in another podcast. Thanks all.